Wow, your standing desk is really cool, Aziza.
Yeah, it
You're
really
so
is.
cool. You must watch Oprah or Dr. Oz, because
Wow.
everybody's standing.
Not so fast, Dr. Dave.
What?
Yeah, she's committed a
What?
huge failure. The pro-
Oh no.
The whole point of the standing desk is basically to get you out of a fixed position. So don't put yourself back into a fixed position by hanging out on your structure here. It's just as bad. It's just as bad. It's
How
just as
should
bad.
she do
So
it?
what should I do?
So you can get a little stool. You're gonna throw your foot up there. Yep, there you go. Good. And you're gonna just keep exactly nice neutral spine from ear to hip. And you can switch feet because again, it's getting out of a fixed position. Yep. Not so bad.
Yeah, it feels
Okay.
better.
Wow, that is so much cooler. I couldn't have been more wrong.
Hey, where